Hello friends, a very warm welcome to the platform of Unacademy. I am Shatabdi Mazumdar, All India Rank 80 in UPSC CSE 2019, and this was my third attempt and my optional subject was anthropology. So talking briefly about my UPSC journey. So I resigned from my job in 2016 and I started my UPSC preparation. In 2017 I took my first attempt and in the first attempt I could not qualify the prelim stage itself. In the second attempt in 2018, I again could not qualify the prelims. I was in the borderline, I was hoping to clear, but unfortunately, I did not clear. In 2019, finally, after a lot of effort, I could qualify this exam. So that's about my UPSC journey. Talking about my educational background a bit, I was born and brought up in Agartala, Tripura, and there itself I completed my schooling. After my schooling, I went to NIT Silchar. I graduated as an electronics and telecommunication engineer from NIT Silchar. So that was the point of time when actually I had thought of taking up the exam, but I thought I'll create a fallback option for me and then I'll take up this exam. So thereafter I worked for 2 years in the IT sector in Chennai, and parallelly I was preparing for CAT. I cleared it and I went to IIM Udaipur for my management program. So again, after management, I worked again in the IT sector for 2 years before I resigned to take up this exam. So in this video, we'll talk about a newspaper reading, because many aspirants are often confused which newspaper to study in which phase, and there are many confusion and queries with regard to newspaper reading. So this video will be to answer those queries and questions related to newspaper reading. So the first question that comes to the mind of the aspirants is that which newspaper is to be read for which stage, and is it that the same newspaper is good for all the three stages, the prelims, mains and interview. So here I will go stage wise. The first stage, prelims, I believe as beginners we all struggle with the reading newspaper part. शुरू में द हिंदू लेके बैठते थे तो खासकर इकोनॉमी सेक्शन में कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आता था, एंड न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ने में बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लग जाता था. We would sit 2-3 hours and finally doze off with the newspaper and all. So I'm sure all of you as aspirants might be able to relate to these stories. तो प्रीलिम्स के लिए मैं बोलूँगी द हिंदू इज़ अ गुड इनफ न्यूज़पेपर, and मतलब if any other newspaper suits you, for example कुछ बच्चे बचपन से ही newspaper reading का habit उनमें होता है, and so they are habituated with reading newspaper. But there are some aspirants like me who is reading the newspaper for the first time. So for people like us, the Hindu itself is very bulky and difficult to manage, leave alone very bulky newspapers like Indian Express and all. तो as beginners I suggest the Hindu. अगर कोई बचपन से न्यूज़पेपर रीडिंग हैबिट में है, दे कैन एक्सप्लोर अदर न्यूज़पेपर्स लाइक इंडियन एक्सप्रेस. ठीक है. So how should you go about reading the newspaper? Obviously you will leave out the political and unnecessary unimportant news like city related news or maybe sports news, that these are not important for your prelims stage. So you will pick out the important news like कोई स्कीम लॉन्च हुआ या कोई स्पीशीज़ कहीं पे मिला. So all those things you have to emphasize and use your pen paper generously while reading the newspaper. That way you will extract more things and you will be able to register better. Next is, as a beginner we find it difficult to interpret the newspaper. So you can make use of some videos. मतलब आपने न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ लिया, आपको कुछ चीज़ें समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, तो फॉर क्लैरिटी ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग यू कैन टेक द हेल्प ऑफ सम वीडियोज़. ठीक है, प्रीलिम स्पेसिफिक वीडियोज़ आते हैं ऑफ अराउंड 10-15 मिनट्स. एडिटोरियल एनालिसिस आते हैं विच एक्सप्लेन्स द एडिटोरियल्स टू यू इन सिंपल लैंग्वेज of about 30 to 40 minutes. You can watch out some of those videos in your preparation. And apart from reading the newspaper, watching these videos, you will also have to do a bit of reading of the current affairs monthly magazines. So net अगर मैं time estimate आपको दूँ, around 2 to 3 hours of time as a beginner you will have to give to your current affairs. मतलब 2 to 3 hours is actually less. I am saying 3 to 4 hours of time you will have to devote for your current affairs. ठीक है. Now coming to the mains stage, The Hindu is an okay newspaper, but for the main stage I suggest Indian Express because वहाँ पे जो editorials है they are very qualitative in nature, the opinions are good and you will be able to extract a lot of value adds for your answer writing, and you will also get a lot of fodder material for your syllabus topics, particularly for the society part of GS1, the entire GS paper 2, GS paper 3 or essay paper and so on. So Indian Express is a very good newspaper for your mains stage. ठीक है, you will do a similar type of reading. You use the pen and you mark important points, you write important things in the newspaper itself. And apart from that, you will also watch editorial analysis videos which will help you grasp the crux of the editorial when it comes to mains. Apart from that, you will supplement your newspapers with mains 365 for your mains preparation, and also you have to make notes from the newspaper with regard to mains. So how will you do that? First of all, while reading the newspaper, use the pen and you mark this particular article relates to which GS paper. Second thing, you will also write the topic name. ठीक है. For example, GS paper 2 international relations, bilateral relations between India and Japan. ठीक है. तो आपने पूरा न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ लिया. You have identified the 4 to 5 editorials that are important for your mains preparation, and you will also tag them as GS so and so paper and so syllabus topic. Now आपका न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ना हो गया. Next stage is how you will convert them into notes. You will open your digital note, whatever it is. It may be Word doc, it may be Excel sheet, it may be Evernote or anything. So you will go to that GS paper, you will go to that syllabus topic, and you will just note down the important pointers, particularly the keywords, the examples, the data pointers and the case studies. Don't forget to make a note of all these 4 important things, K, E, D and C, into your digital notes. Now coming to the third stage, the interview stage. ठीक है, what are the newspapers that are to be read? ठीक है, उस टाइम पे आप रिलेटिवली थोड़ा फ्री रहते हो, so you can accommodate around 2 to 3 newspapers per day. The Hindu, the Indian Express and probably the Times of India, they can be useful for your interview preparation. ठीक है. So you will do a similar kind of reading. You will read, you will use the pen, and you will mark important pointers, you will mark important keywords and phrases and important things. You will also make a note. ठीक है. Second part, apart from reading newspaper, in the interview stage you will watch out some debates on YouTube. ठीक है. You can watch out the Rajya Sabha TV debate and all such similar things. इससे क्या होगा, you will be able to understand which current issues are important and what can be the opinion. You can slowly and gradually you will be able to develop an opinion on that particular issue. ठीक है. थर्ड कंपोनेंट है नोट मेकिंग. इंटरव्यू स्टेज में भी नोट मेकिंग इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ द नेचर ऑफ नोट मेकिंग इज़ डिफरेंट इन मेंस एंड इट इज़ डिफरेंट इन इंटरव्यू. जैसे कि मैंने बोला था, इन मेन स्टेज आपके नोट मेकिंग कैसे होने चाहिए, यू विल आइडेंटिफाई द सिलेबस टॉपिक एंड उसके नीचे आप नोट डाउन करोगे व्हाट आर द कीवर्ड्स, एग्जांपल्स, डेटा पॉइंट्स, केस स्टडीज दैट यू फाउंड इन दैट आर्टिकल. ठीक है. नाउ कमिंग टू नोट मेकिंग इन द interview stage, what you will do is you will figure out what are the important issues in the Hindu newspaper, what are the important issues in the Indian Express, what are the important issues in the Times of India. You will say identify around 5-6 issues in total, and you will maintain a diary or a notebook. ठीक है, you will write the name of the issue and you will just create 1 or 2 points which will help you form an opinion on that issue. ठीक है, so this is how you will make notes for interview, and after a period of time you will find that you have created some 50 issues and you have formed opinion on those 50 current issues. ठीक है, so phase wise manner में 3 stages में मैंने बोला which newspaper is good and how to use that newspaper for that particular stage. Now next part is, if I have to clearly talk about note making across the 3 stages, I have already spoken a bit about it, but for the sake of clarity I'll repeat once again. For the prelim stage, note making from the newspaper I would say is optional. ठीक है, see, if you have time you can make a note, but if you don't have time you can skip it as well. It will not be harmful for you. I mean, it is not mandatory for you to make notes from the newspaper when it comes to prelims. ठीक है, so there are 2 ways. एक तो आप मतलब अगर आपको नोट बनाना है देन यू आइडेंटिफाई वेरी क्रिस्प पॉइंट्स, एकदम पॉइंट्स दैट आर वेरी वेरी रेलेवेंट फॉर योर प्रीलिम्स. ठीक है, तो बुलेट पॉइंट्स के फॉर्म में आप नोट बनाओगे डेट वाइज. ठीक है, सो एंड सो डेट में ये 10 पॉइंट्स न्यूज़ मैंने इकट्ठा किया फ्रॉम द न्यूज़पेपर. थिंग्स लाइक ये स्कीम लॉन्च हुआ, दीज आर द बेनिफिशियरीज, दिस इज़ द इन्वेस्टमेंट मेड, एंड मतलब एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स. ठीक है, मे बी सम स्पीशीज़ वॉज फाउंड इन सम पर्टिकुलर एरिया, तो यू विल मेक नोट ऑफ इट, दिस स्पीशीज़ इन दिस पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन. तो एकदम क्रिस्प एंड कंसाइज पॉइंट्स के फॉर्म में आप प्रीलिम्स के नोट्स बनाओगे, नहीं तो दे विल बिकम सो बल्की दैट यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू रिवाइज इट. अगर आपको नोट्स बनाने का मन नहीं है या फिर यू आर फेसिंग टाइम कंस्ट्रेंट इन द प्रीलिम स्टेज, आप नोट्स नहीं बना पाओगे, देन इट इज़ परफेक्टली फाइन. वॉट यू कैन डू इज़, आप बहुत ध्यान से न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ो, यूज़ द पेन लाइक आई कीप एम्फेसाइजिंग. आप इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स नोट डाउन करो एंड मतलब कीप मार्किंग एंड ऑल, एंड you try to register as much as possible in your memory. So since you are not making notes, you have to rely and trust the monthly magazines. आपको ये ट्रस्ट करना होगा कि जो भी मैंने मतलब नोट नहीं बनाया न्यूज़पेपर से, these all are present in the monthly magazines, and you have to do justice to those monthly magazines, reading and revising them multiple times. ठीक है, so that is the way of dealing with prelim stage. Now coming to the mains stage, like I said, you have to make notes, you have to read the newspaper, and you have to extract important pointers and important keywords, key phrases, examples, data points and case studies, and you have to translate them into the digital notes. Interview में again note making is very very important, but the manner in which you are making notes will differ in the 3 stages. So here you have to write the name of the issue and you have to write important points that help you form opinion about that particular current issue. Alright, now next question that often the aspirants keep asking is that when can we skip reading the newspaper? ठीक है, so what I suggest is before 1 month of prelims you can stop reading the newspaper, and that time, the last month to prelims, you can focus more on revising the static part, revising the current affairs monthly magazines of the last 10 months, and also taking mock tests. So in the last month to prelims you can just skip reading the newspaper. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज़ मेंस से कितना दिन पहले आप न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ना छोड़ सकते हो. द आंसर इज़ अबाउट 15 to 20 डेज़ पहले आप छोड़ सकते हो, बिकॉज द क्वेश्चन पेपर इज़ ऑलरेडी सेट एंड दैट विल इंक्लूड करंट अफेयर्स ऑफ द प्रीवियस टाइम्स। लास्ट 15 डेज में करंट अफेयर्स इतना इम्पॉर्टेंट नहीं है क्योंकि तब तक क्वेश्चन पेपर ऑलरेडी सेट हो चुका होता है। ठीक है। नाउ कमिंग टू द इंटरव्यू स्टेज। इंटरव्यू स्टेज में यू कैन नेवर एक्चुअली स्टॉप रीडिंग द न्यूज़पेपर, क्योंकि मतलब अगर आपका इंटरव्यू आज है तो it is highly likely that the news and issues of the last 1 week are kind of top of the mind recall for the interview board. वही issues याद रहेंगे क्योंकि वो recent times में बहुत बार discuss हो रहा है, and high chances are that they will ask from those issues itself. तो इंटरव्यू स्टेज के लिए आप न्यूज़पेपर नहीं छोड़ना है। एंड अनदर थिंग इज़, इंटरव्यू स्टेज में वैसे भी आपके पास काफ़ी टाइम रहता है, ठीक है, पढ़ाई का बहुत बर्डन नहीं रहता है। एंड जैसे मेंस एंड प्रीलिम्स में योर बुक्स एंड ऑल आर योर प्राइमरी सोर्सेस ऑफ स्टडी मटेरियल, in your interview stage the most primary source of reading material is your newspaper, another source is the DAF। तो most primary reading material को तो आप छोड़ ही नहीं सकते ना लास्ट मोमेंट तक। The next important question that aspirants ask is that is it even necessary to read the newspaper at all in this preparation journey? The answer is yes, it is necessary and it is very very much inevitable। ठीक है, आपको न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ना है not only to clear this exam but it generally helps you in life, it helps you develop content। ठीक है, compare two individuals, one who reads the newspaper daily and one who has never read the newspaper in his or her entire life। तो the difference आपको दिख जाएगा। You as a third person you will be able to gauge the difference in a stark manner। ठीक है, a person who is well read, a person who is updated with the current issues can very easily engage or trigger a discussion among even stranger people, right? So this is the power of reading newspaper। It will only add value to your life, it will add dimensions and perspectives in your life, it will enrich content of your general speech। आपका जनरल स्पीच इम्प्रूव होगा, कम्युनिकेशन इम्प्रूव होगा, फ्लुएंसी इम्प्रूव होगा, एंड जनरली इन लाइफ यू विल मेक अ लॉट ऑफ सेंस। people will appreciate your views and opinions because they will be backed by facts and data and examples। So these are the reasons why you should never stop reading newspaper। and most importantly आपको selection के बाद भी newspaper reading नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए। You must keep reading your newspaper even when you got selected। and most important thing is जब आप on the field join भी करते हो, newspaper reading becomes even more important to gauge what are the incidents or things happening around you, what are the developments, what are the concern areas। आपको updated रहना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। So never make an excuse that you don't want to read the newspaper। It helps you generally in life even if you are not an UPSC aspirant। ठीक है, so I think that is all that we had to cover in this video today। It was about newspaper reading and the various queries and confusion around newspaper reading। क्या पढ़ना है, कौन से स्टेज में कैसे पढ़ना है, कैसे नोट्स बनाने हैं, and all of that। So on that note I am ending this video, and based on your queries and questions I'll make further similar videos। and that's all for today। All the best and thank you।